Okay, what's up everybody? This is Michael Martin from MPS Pools and Ultimate Pool Guy. Here we are on the how to repipe a pool or how to change out a skimmer job. I'm here with Lalo Preciado and some very chingon vatos. I'm gonna take you for a walk around the pool and show you exactly where the job is at and exactly what we're trying to do here. Okay, so what we're doing here is we are marking the concrete with what's called a chalk line or a snap line, and this is how we know where to cut the deck and where to chip out and do our jackhammer work. We're marking the area around the skimmer that's going to get demoed out. First step in removing the skimmer and changing out the pool plumbing is cutting up the old pool deck and the demolition. This is the concrete saw, and we're about to start this process right now. Now we have the lines cut in the concrete. We're ready to start breaking it up and digging the skimmer out. For that we use, looks like we got a 35-pound jackhammer here for it. So what we have here is we've already started to knock out the old skimmer. Because the skimmer was leaking so bad, you can see some of the rebar right here is no longer good. This is the lines where we're gonna run our fresh plumbing, both for the suction line as well as the return line. So at this point we need to go down about 2 more feet worth of debris. We've already removed approximately 1 ton of broken concrete. Here we have our old copper return line. The outside of the return line is coated in turquoise. This turquoise flaking is a result of the copper stripping from the inside out of the plumbing and depositing on the plaster right around the return line. This is how we know that we have a pool with copper plumbing, and this is how we know that we have a potential problem, because all of this stripping out means the copper line inside is getting thinner and thinner to the point where we have a failure. It's also deposited copper all throughout the pool, which is why the pool doesn't look white and it has kind of a green tint to it. We have drilled new lines. These new holes are going to accept the PVC plumbing, which is why we're doing the job in the first place, is to eliminate the copper out of the pool. We use special drill bits in order to achieve this. We go directly through the entire gunite shell. This drill bit right here provides a large enough diameter hole to where we can run our plumbing through the pool. We're gonna catch our plumbing on the other side and then run it down the trenches. This is going to be the new PVC return line. Over here, this is going to be the new PVC vac line. These have been core drilled, which means we do not reduce the diameter of the hole as we go through the pool. So it is the same diameter hole, or what we call OD, outside diameter. It's the same OD all the way through the bond beam of the pool, clear to the other side. If we come out of the pool, we can see that the guy's been working very hard. On the top side or deck side, we've trenched all of our lines. This is where our plumbing is gonna go. Our plumbing, as you can see, is all PVC. We're no longer using any copper. The copper is the reason of the repair and the reason that the pool failed in the first place. Over here, this is the hole that's been dug out for the new skimmer. This is the new skimmer. That is the old skimmer. The old skimmer was built as a concrete design with copper plumbing coming off the bottom. The new skimmer is PVC, and we use PVC plumbing to come off the bottom of the skimmer, back to the equipment area, stub it up, and then that's our new system to operate the pool. The skimmer is going to sit in this hole approximately like this. What is then needed is we have to take number 3 or 3/8 rebar, and we have to anchor these into the wall of the pool. Okay, we're going to have rebar both on the top, on the bottom and then tying the rebar vertically together. This rebar is anchored into the bond beam of the pool. This wall of the pool is called the bond beam. The rebar is anchored into the bond beam using an anchoring epoxy. Anchoring epoxy is a two-part mix. It's a two-part mix with a very high bond strength. We drill the holes into the back of the bond beam, fill it with the two-part epoxy, and then this is what anchors the rebar cage. The rebar cage, as the name suggests, holds the skimmer in place so it doesn't pull away or twist away from the pool, causing further problems. Outside of that, what we have left is to run our lines, bring it up in the equipment area, finish the job with concrete. And that's how you change out a skimmer and repipe a pool. This is Mike, and thanks for watching this week's feature how-to on ultimatepoolguide.com. I don't take recess because I don't play.